so bad here, but it is raining like mad outside. I was about to do a bit of a walking vlog, but then all of a sudden it just started downpouring here in Yotsuya.
Big blue sky, got a big blue sky. Whoa, whoa.
I'm going around the world from August 3rd. I bought my ticket, and so I'm gonna put this on my blog as a little video just at the bottom of the blog. So go check out my blog at locomode.org. I'm gonna make my first round the world vlog on Monday, which is gonna start a series of round the world vlogs where I'm just gonna explain to you a little bit of the basics for going around the world, what you have to think about. I'm gonna start with clothes, and I wish I would have worn some of the good round the world clothes that I'm gonna be taking, because they're quick drying, and what I'm wearing today is not quick drying, so it's gonna be wet for a long time because it's raining really hard.
Big blue sky, the big blue sky. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
Prepare for it? I don't know, I'm walking in Tokyo and it was raining, and this isn't much of a good vlog, is it? It's bright sunny out there, but it's raining like mad right here.
Under the big blue sky,